It's a beautiful day. Dun, dun, dun. Don't let it get away. Yeah, start stripping.
So what are we doing?
We're ice bathing.
We're ice bathing. Oh. Like right here?
Yep.
Oh, bitch. It looks pretty cold. Am I even gonna fit? Is that hole even big enough?
Yeah, of course it is.
Is seizing the
Oh, he's stripping!
Seizing the opportunity?
Yeah? Oh, you're doing it! You're doing it! Okay.
Vi kommer nog... Alltså, han har sagt att han bara, men om ni får dit då kommer jag dit. Okej. Han har Sara har liksom... Vill ha en kusin?
4 minutes, you can do it. How does it feel? Come on!
Han bara, jag kommer ju komma upp när jag ska bo. Jag bara, men det går på hur jag
It's definitely doable. I just gotta get used to it.
Remember to breathe.
har du en säng så har väl han en säng.
You're actually doing very well.
I'm still making weird noises.
I thought you were gonna scream. So disappointed.
Should I fake it?
Yeah? Make it look more horrible.
It's definitely a thing.
Wow, you've been in for so long. Really?
30 seconds, right?
I don't know when we started.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
You wanna get your head under?
Yeah.
You sure?
That'll just splutter and make some noise for sure. Alright, ready?
Yeah. Oh gosh. You're more Viking than me.
That's good.
A comment?
Look at the ice. The feet are pretty cold. I'm jealous of the mat right now. I
Yeah.
really would enjoy that mat.
Yep, they've done this before.
Yeah.
You've got an audience, man.
Alltså jag frågade, jag sa på kampen.
Cool. Look at this. I think if we did it yesterday, it would have been so much worse. Like yesterday was cold and grim. At least
Men först är det kampen.
that's
You
it.
did
Nice
well.
plunge. Thanks. Thanks. I'm gonna record.
I'm actually impressed. No, you didn't.
Men nu visar det sig att det är Simon.
You're impressed. I impressed the Viking.
Yeah?
Did I?
I don't think I've been in for that
I'm
long.
trying to
Jag
like
vet inte vad Erik har köpt.
dry off and I can hear the little
Ni får prata
Yep.
icy bits.
om det som du vill bo med kampstenen.
Like your swimmer's gonna turn into ice. Like as soon as you take them off.
Du Simon, din tjej inte pratar.
That's good though. That's not nearly as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be way worse. I thought it was gonna be like. How was your ice plunge?
That's good.
Yeah.
Very easy for a Viking.
Oh, nailed it.
You cannot breathe though.
No, I couldn't. I missed it. Do it again.
I can't do it on like, you'd be like, yay.
Gangsta.